hearing a grinding noise when you turn the wheel. It's unsettling, right? Let's figure out what it could be. Two likely culprits are a bad wheel bearing or a worn-out CV joint. So, how do you tell them apart? A bad wheel bearing usually makes a humming or grinding noise that gets louder as you speed up, and it might change when you swerve from side to side. Think of it as a constant drone that's tied to your speed. On the other hand, a failing CV joint typically makes a clicking or popping sound, especially during sharp turns, like when you're parking or making a U-turn. The noise is more pronounced the sharper you turn the wheel. If the noise is a steady grind that gets worse with speed, suspect the wheel bearing. If it's a clicking sound that's loudest on tight turns, it's probably the CV joint. Either way, get it checked by a professional soon. Don't ignore these sounds. Thanks for watching, and drive safe. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car tips.